Okay. Today we want to presenting our research under title "The Influence of Investment Motivation, Risk Perception, and Financial Efficacy on People's Investment Decision in the Capital Market." Our team for the chief is Mr. Al Hidayatullah and myself, Muhammad Hairul Amal. We are from Muhammadiyah University of Sukabumi. So as we see in a lot of news everywhere, legal online loans and low financial literacy limit public understanding of investment risk and benefit because maybe it's uh, become some problem because of their education or because their needs to the money. So these illegal online loans and low financial literacy become a problems in uh, middle low income in people in Indonesia. So otherwise, millennials show growing interest in capital markets, yet their investment decisions are still shaped by motivation, risk perception, and financial self-efficacy. In this research or in this study aims to analyze these three factors. The first is to promote informed investment decision, and secondly is to prevent harmful financial behavior. Uh, as I say before, because the people, actually millennials, have a big needs to the what we say in investment, in investment, uh, and it's become the decision to investment because of motivation, risk perception, and financial self-efficacy. Okay, our method in this research is quantitative with a causal associative design, and the population for our research is 3,455 capital market investor in Sukabumi City. We are in West Java province, and we focus on just at Sukabumi City. Okay, so in this research we have a sample, 100 respondent. We take it, determine by rows of calculator 10% margin of error and 90% confidence level. So the data collection, we have a questionnaire measuring about the first is investment motivation, why they do the investment. So there is perception about the investment. The third is financial self-efficacy, and the last is investment decision. How to analyze it? We analyze, the first is by validity and reliability test. So second, we do classical assumption test, normality, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity. The third is we use multiple linear regression, and the last we use t-test, f-test, and r-square. So the tool we use is SPSS software for this research. Okay. After we do the research, we have some finding. Yeah, the first is in the model strength, the R square has the result is 62.3%. The 62.3% is a big number, so it explains the variation in investment decision. Okay, so the other variables that we research in this research has the significant impact. The first is investment motivation, significant. So risk perception is the most dominant. Why the millennials or the people doing the investment, and financial efficacy is significant too by the research. Okay, so the conclusion from the finding is investment motivation, risk perception, and financial efficacy positively influence investment decision among Sukabumi residents. And the we bold it, the big one or the strongest effect is risk perception in our research. Okay, so we do another thing by the finding of other researcher. Yeah, investment motivation has strong drive. Why? Because something like profit, future needs, financial freedom increase active investment decision. It's also same with the researcher by Rafli et al. 2025. So the next variable, risk perception, is the most dominant factor in our research, and it's because of rational assessment of risk balance, potential losses, and return. The the respondent really know how to invest in their investment, maybe in the capital market. The first thing is because they really know how about the risk. Actually, if they come to capital market, they really think the risk is the risk is more important uh, to think before they do or they make decision with the investment. It's also same with the research by Nguyen et al. 2019 and Al-Mansour et al. 2023. The third variable, financial self-efficacy, confidence in managing finance leads to better investment strategies. We had this conclusion from our respondent, and it also aligned with the research of Farrell et al. 2016 about self-efficacy theory. And overall, yeah, motivation, risk perception, and financial efficacy explain 62.3% of investment decision variance. The big three of our variables makes the people of the respondent or the respondent has a big decision to do their investment. Otherwise, psychological and behavioral factors significantly shape investment choice too. Okay, so the conclusion and the implication, investment motivation, risk perception, and financial efficacy join together influence investment decision for some people or in our research in Sukabumi City. The risk perception variable is the most dominant factor of our research. The third conclusion, strengthening motivation, risk understanding, and financial efficacy is key to making rational investment choices. It can avoid our people from the wrong choice, such as gambling, yeah, online gambling, so online loan illegally, and other investment that not really safe because not legal. And the last is continuous improvement of financial literacy program is very essential to help individuals avoid harmful financial behavior and invest and to do invest wisely, yeah, for their money. Okay, so from our research we have some suggestion. The first is for the government and the financial authority. We really recommend that the government and financial regulatory authorities enhance financial education and literacy program on sustained basis with particular emphasis on risk management and comprehensive understanding of investment product to foster a financially literate and prudent society. Uh, in other time, we do this thing also. We make the agreement or uh, we make the work with IDX from our university. So secondly, our suggestion for the public, uh, it is encouraged to actively seek information regarding investment opportunities. We really uh, giving a suggestion with for the public to not take it very fast. The information, if we had the information, uh, maybe inform us the profit is so big and so fast the money comes again. This is not good. Deepen their understanding of associate risk and cultivate greater confidence in financial management, thereby facilitating more informed and responsible investment decision. And for our partner, for the next researcher, it is recommended to consider expanding the scope of investigation. Even we really know in our research there is a 62.3% from the three variable, the big three that really influence how people make a decision to investment for that money. I think that is from us. So thank you for everyone to hear our presentation.